Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to do a video on the Heartfelt Creations frame a card dies. There's 4 dies in the set. So the first one is the Eyelet Rectangles Basic. This works with all the dies. And I just cut out 2 because basically it's just rectangles that go from 5 by 7 all the way down to the 1.75 inch to the 2.75 inch. There's only 2 eyelets. There's a 3.5 inch by 4.5 inch and the 2.5 inch by 3.5 inch. So I just cut out the biggest eyelet so you can see it. It looks like this. And then if you want to make it into a frame, this is how it looks. So you have some options. So that's the biggest one in the eyelets. And I love the little pretty eyelets around the border. I hope they do come out with a set of eyelets, just eyelets only. That would be fun. Okay, so that's the first set. And there's 10 pieces in the set. So next up, this has been released before. I brought it out because I wanted to share with you some ideas. So the next set is called Frame a Card Leafy Borders. There's 9 pieces in the set. It looks like this. Take it out of the package so you can see what I mean, because these are interchangeable. So each piece has a basic piece and a layering piece. So you have options if you want to put the design inside or not. So I'll show you how it works. There's also a 1/4 of a doily piece that you can make a full doily, a half a doily, or a 1/4 of a doily. So I'll share with you how all the pieces look. And there's all different size frames that you can make. So you can make a rectangle frame, a square frame, any type of frame, 6 by 6. There's options. So I did cut them out, and I'll share with you some of my ideas. Okay, so here are some ideas that I had with this set. Okay, the reason why I brought out this set right here, it has a border inside. And my first idea was just cut it out plain and add in this heart border for Valentine's Day. If you want to make some Valentine's Day cards, you can have this border inside. And I'm sure they'll probably come out with more to interchange in that frame a card leafy border set. So if you get the basic one, then they'll probably come out with some in different themes, like for the holidays or whatever. So I have a feeling that this is not the only idea they had for that basic set. So that was my first idea. Then there's the negative piece. Then here is the 1/4 of a doily that you can put at the corner of the scrapbook page. You can make a full doily or half a doily. So you want to make a half a doily, it looks like this. Or the full doily, you cut it out in 4 sections, and then it doesn't cut out, it doesn't have edges. So you can just set it side by side and continue to cut, and then it cuts out a full doily. So very versatile set. And if you just want to cut out it plain, it looks like this, and then you can layer it together and it makes a pretty frame when you put it all together. And then if you just want to have it plain without the border piece, I mean, you can pop it up on a frame. Just so many different options. But this is how it would look on a 6 by 6 card. It's not glued down, but I cut it out so you can see how, give you an idea of how it could possibly look on a 6 by 6 card. Really pretty. So that's that set. Really love it and can't wait to see all the different ideas that they come up with, and also my idea about this one. So I bet you they come out with more to interchange in that set. Okay, so the next one is the Eyelet frames. It looks like this. This is how it looks on the back and the sizes. Here are the dies. There's 3 pieces. Okay, so I'll bring back my little card so you can see better. So this is the first piece that I cut out. You can have it this way or this way. Really pretty. This one is my favorite design. I really love that one. This is what comes out, so you can leave it in so it looks like that, or you can take it out. Either or. So really love that. And this one too, you can leave it out or you can put it back in. I also have the ring that cut out of it. By mistake, I put the little ring piece inside, so you can do all kinds of things with that one. So really fun set, and I love that one. Okay, next set is the intricate swirl frames. It looks like this, and there's 4 pieces. This is how it looks on the back, and all the pieces and the sizes. Okay, so here's the smallest piece. You can have the center in or out. This is how the center looks. I'm sure they will come up with all kinds of things with this one, cutting it in half. And then here is the next frame. This is the piece that comes out. You can pop it back in if you like and have the whole piece. So it's pretty with it or without. And then here's the biggest piece. Really pretty this way or that way. These sets are very popular, high demand. I know they've been sold out for weeks, but if you're interested in them, I do have a source where you can find them for purchase. Hopefully they're still in stock. I'll link it in the description box below if you're interested. So I hope you found this helpful. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.